So here's my 2 camera setup. At the moment I was going to replace the new one with the old one, which is only 5 megapixels, and the new camera, as you can see on my samples, is way better color matched and shows true darkness. Well, this one over here has more reds and blues, so it's using a different sensor and different firmware. Definitely sharper picture quality, but I've got my power 12 volts and LAN cable coming off a access point in the bedroom. Goes into a switch, 1 gigabit for $20 New Zealand plus GST, so it's up to about $30. And then I split off LAN cables to each of them, although I think the Wi-Fi here can do up to about 300 megabits, rather than the LAN cable can only do 100, even on a 1 gigabit switch. So yeah, that's the new setup that we're testing. When I get the other camera, which is not meant to have a fisheye, I will take down this tripod, because I'll be getting another one of these sturdy tripods with a hook underneath for a P1000 camera, and it's even got a level there. It's a really good thing. We'll see how it does in the sunlight, UV and water over the year. But that cost me 50 New Zealand plus GST, so it's up to about $60. So yeah, that's it.